Since our founding in 2010, we've spent the past 14 years growing into who we are today. With over 8,000 square meters of factory space, we'd like to take you on a tour, floor by floor, so you can see everything that goes into making our products. On the first floor, it's our printing, laminating, and cutting area. Our high-precision cutting machines ensure every piece is accurate, and our multiple printers handle custom printing on a range of materials, adding unique designs and vibrant colors to every product. The lamination area allows us to apply a variety of films to acrylic products, and our diamond cutting process makes each acrylic edge a smooth, glass-like finish. Moving up to the second floor, this is where we assemble and package products. All the parts and accessories are neatly organized for easy assembly, and once completed, items are carefully packed here, ready to ship out. On the third floor, it's area for proof and photography. Our team draw proofs for your designs, and if you've ordered photography services, we capture high-quality shots to showcase your products. The fourth floor is our materials storage area. On the fifth floor, we laminate and cut stickers. There are various films available to choose from. Next door, we produce paper tape, sticky notes, foil products, and notebooks, while also manufacturing button. Each product goes through a series of meticulous processes with strict quality control at every step. On the sixth floor, we add epoxy to acrylic products, giving surfaces a smoother, shinier finish. Here, we also craft various types of lanyards, focusing on the finer details. Our laser cutting equipment perfects product shapes with crisp outlines and smooth edges. We are committed to consistently providing you with high-quality products and exceptional service.